ABC birds. A is for Atlantic puffin. B is for bald eagle. C is for cardinal. D is for dove. E is for Egyptian goose. F is for fire-maned bowerbird. G is for golden eagle. H is for Himalayan snowcock. I is for Indian peafowl. J is for jackdaw. K is for kakapo. L is for lyrebird. M is for mandarin duck. N is for nuthatch. O is for osprey. P is for pelican. Q is for quail. R is for robin. S is for sandhill crane. T is for trumpeter swan. U is for upupa. V is for Virginia rail. W is for wall creeper. X is for Xanthus merlet. Y is for yellowthroat. Z is for zapata wren. Part 2. A is for American avocet. B is for bluebird. C is for common loon. D is for duck. E is for emperor penguin. F is for fish crow. G is for greater prairie chicken. H is for heron. I is for Inca dove. J is for jabiru. K is for kiwi. L is for lovebird. M is for macaroni penguin. N is for nightingale. O is for ostrich. P is for peregrine falcon. Q is for quetzal. R is for razorbill. S is for skylark. T is for towhee. U is for uguisu. V is for vireo. W is for western meadowlark. X is for Xanthus hummingbird. Y is for yellow-billed hornbill. Z is for Zenaida dove. Part 3. A is for albatross. B is for blue-footed booby. C is for chickadee. D is for dunlin. E is for egret. F is for flamingo. G is for gallinule. H is for hummingbird. I is for ibis. J is for jaybird. K is for kittiwake. L is for limpkin. M is for merganser. N is for nutcracker. O is for oystercatcher. P is for pheasant. Q is for quail. R is for roadrunner. S is for sapsucker. T is for turnstone. U is for umbrella bird. V is for vulture. W is for woodpecker. X is for xenops. Y is for yellowhammer. Z is for zebrafinch. Part 4. A is for American kestrel. B is for barn swallow. C is for coot. D is for dark-eyed junco. E is for emu. F is for flycatcher. G is for gerfalcon. H is for hoatzin. I is for indigo bunting. J is for jacana. K is for kingfisher. L is for lapwing. M is for magpie. N is for nighthawk. O is for oriole. P is for pine grosbeak. Q is for quailfinch. R is for raven. S is for Stellar Sea Eagle. T is for Tomtit. U is for Brett. V is for Veery. W is for Woodcock. X is for Xavier's Green Bull. Y is for Yellow Wagtail. Z is for Zone-tailed Hawk. Part 5. A is for African Gray Parrot. B is for Bulbul.
Here.
C is for Canary. D is for Dusky Grouse. E is for Emperor Goose. F is for Foster's Tern. G is for Golden Winged Warbler. H is for Hawaiian Hawk. I is for Ibis Bill. J is for Jungle Fowl. K is for Killdeer. L is for Lark Bunting. M is for Magnificent Frigate Bird. N is for Neotropic Cormorant. O is for Oxpecker. P is for Partridge. Q is for Quail Plover. R is for Red-winged Blackbird. S is for Spoonbill. T is for Tufted Titmouse. U is for Ural Owl. V is for Village Weaver. W is for Willow Ptarmigan. X is for Zine. Y is for Yellow-billed Loon. Z is for Zeno's Petrel. Part 6. A is for American Widgeon. B is for Band-tailed Pigeon. C is for Common Cuckoo. D is for Dusky Antbird. E is for Eurasian Bullfinch. F is for Pharyngeus Hawk. G is for Gala. H is for Horned Lark. I is for Indian Skimmer. J is for Java Sparrow. K is for Kowal's Amazon. L is for Ladder-tailed Nightjar. M is for Mississippi Kite. N is for Nene. O is for Ovenbird. P is for Pied-billed Grebe. Q is for Quailfinch Indigo Bird. R is for Ring-billed Gull. S is for Shoebill. T is for Takahe. U is for Upland Sandpiper. V is for Vauxhall Swift. W is for Whooping Crane. X is for Zingu Scale-backed Antbird. Y is for Yellow-eyed Penguin. Z is for Zitting Christicola. Part 7. A is for Anhinga. B is for Bufflehead. C is for Crested Caracara. D is for Dwarf Bittern. E is for Eurasian Collared Dove. F is for Field Sparrow. G is for Greater Rhea. H is for Harpy Eagle. I is for Imperial Shag. J is for Japanese Waxwing. K is for Kagu. L is for Lake Duck. M is for Mockingbird. N is for Northern Flicker. O is for Orange-bellied Manakin. P is for Piping Plover. Q is for Quebrancho Crested Tinamo. R is for Red-tailed Hawk. S is for Scarlet Macaw. T is for Tawny Frogmouth. U is for Upland Buzzard. V is for Velvet Scooter Duck. W is for Wood Stork. X is for Signon Ground Jay. Y is for Yellow-headed Blackbird. Z is for Zimmer Tapaculo. Part 8. A is for Andean Condor. B is for Brown Thrasher. C is for Cooper's Hawk. D is for Dunnock. E is for European Starling. F is for Fox Sparrow. G is for Gadwall. H is for Hermit Thrush. I is for Iceland Gull. J is for Jambu Fruit Dove. K is for Kia. L is for least bittern. M is for Merlin. N is for northern goshawk. O is for oak titmouse. P is for purple martin. Q is for queen whydah. R is for redhead. S is for sharp-shined hawk. T is for tundra swan. U is for Urich tyrannulet. V is for verdin. W is for wood thrush. X is for zulmus. Y is for yellow-rumped warbler. Z is for zebra dove. The end. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more. Bye!